Today, the wind has really picked up and our trees are bending and bowing as if to greet us. Hello and welcome to day 5 of our organic rooftop farm. As you will have seen yesterday, the trees and the larger, taller plants were swaying and bending in the wind. So today's job was to purely rectify that challenge. So we went down to Ace Hardware and we bought a couple of stakes and we have planted them in beside the stalk. We then got some twine and we are tying the trees up to the stakes. This will help to give stability as they grow. We've used string as it's a little bit more flexible and it will grow with the tree. Eventually, as the tree becomes bigger, the string will automatically break. This is a little bit kinder for the trees than using plastic cable ties. Paul did a really good job of tying the trees up to the stakes, and now they know how to stand up for themselves. Everybody needs a little support sometimes. We truly love being out here on the rooftop and watching the blue skies above us. We can really feel that the weather has begun to move into winter. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so that you can watch us as we grow organically in the right direction.